G'day. This is 4 weeks after I cut my toe. From there I kicked a star picket, bit of metal. It split from there to there, and it was about that wide, the gap, and this hole of the nail was sticking out 90 degrees. So it's healed up pretty good, don't you think? So I didn't get any attention for it, so this is the whole reason for it. See how the skin was right out to there? That's where it was cut to, so it's mended into there, and this bit of nail is going to come off. I'll take that off later on if you want to stay around. It's a bit gory, but it's healed up pretty good. From what it was, it's 4 weeks ago now since this thing was bleeding for 2 weeks straight. It was my right foot, so I couldn't get any medical attention. So I'll show you how I fixed it. So when I did it, I first put on a big massive band-aid. You can see these things, that's one band-aid. It's humongous. Don't know how much it cost, must be a bit of money. And then after that, because that was just to keep it all wrapped in, so just to keep it all tucked in because it was bleeding a lot. And then after a few days, when that sort of came off in the shower, I put these elastoplast ones on, and this is the key, because it's really sticky on the end bits. So I'd put it on one toe there and push it down and pull it so it would pull the skin tight like that, and then it would keep it all together. Otherwise it would just open. It needed stitches. It needed about 3 stitches across the top, but I couldn't get there. I couldn't even walk on it. I had to keep it above my heart for blimmin' 2 days. So it was pretty hard. But that's what I did. So I used that, and the cream I used, because I didn't have anything, was good old aloe vera. That's what I've used to bring it back to right now. And my disinfectant was my isopropylene spray, so 70% methyl and 30% water. And yeah, it used to kill the bugs. So every time after the shower, I'd just get it and see, everything's sealed now, so there's no stingy. It stung a fair bit when the wounds were open, but at least then I know there's no bugs are going to happen. I've killed it all off. And now I've got to get in with the toenail clippers and clean it up. So I'm pretty happy with its progress. So 2 days ago I stopped using band-aids. Up until then I'm just using a band-aid every single day. So I did go through a few band-aids, but all I did was every single day after the shower, like now, I'll show you. I just put a big dollop. That was meant to happen. Pretty big dollop though. I'll zoom in. That focuses better. And then I just put that everywhere. Patted it right under the nail, because I was using it as sealant, just to seal it right around the top where it split. It's all healed up so well. 4 weeks ago this thing was well and truly open, needed massive medical attention. There we go. Rub a bit around the foot just to make it all healthy. Good old aloe, 100%. That's it. Now, how about I cut it? I'm going to clean it up, because I'm not using any band-aids anymore, so this is going to catch on something when I sleep. So let's try and chop it off. So thanks for watching. If you don't like squeamish bits, because it's going to get pretty squeamish, but we'll be able to see right underneath the nail, because the whole thing's going to end up falling off. It's got a crack in it right down to the base. See the crack? Jeez. Hurt when I did it, but not now. Alright, I'll set it up. This isn't too easy by myself. I don't want to slip. There's a fair bit of nails going to come off. Donk. Still got all the aloe vera stuff in it. Oh, bear with me. I'll give it another snip. This other bit, that's got to come off too. Can't do it, it's too hard. Oh. Where'd you go, nail? It's gone. That'll heal up a bit better now. So I'm going to end up losing the whole nail, but you can well and truly see under it. There we go, a bit of sunlight. So it looks pretty good. See, there's no sign of infection. It all healed up well. So 4 weeks ago, that was a wide open gash. What a spin out. I reckon if I went to hospital, they would have had to, because it was all bleeding underneath the nail too, as you can see there. So they would have had to nearly take the nail off first, I reckon, in hospital, and then stitch this bit up here right back to under there. Would have been pretty hard. So I'm glad that's the good organic way. It doesn't hurt, remember. So I'll keep that clean now inside after the shower, and beautiful. If I get it dirty, I'll wash it. Anyway, that's enough. Thanks for watching. Good health to you. See you later.